So what is up guys, in today's video I'm going to check if you can actually make $50 or these huge amounts that has been showed on YouTube, okay, for just typing captchas. I'm going to test that theory out. I'm going to do it for at least 1 hour and I'm going to share my results with you on screen. You'll be able to see everything I do on screen and you'll be able to know if these methods work or not. Okay, so if you want to see if these methods actually can work for you and any of the other methods that the YouTubers who promote these types of earning methods online show to you, okay, work, then watch this video all the way till the end and give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done so. If you are new to this channel and like videos about real ways to make money online with no clickbait and no fake earnings, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification so you can be alerted each time I upload a new video. And feel free to watch any of the older uploads as they all provide a lot of value that can actually help you make money online. Okay, so without wasting any of your time, we are going to get into this straight away. So this site and this site, which is Protypus and Megatypus, let me just show you the names right here. Protypus and Megatypus. Okay, this one is Megatypus. Watch it change. Ta-da! Protypus. It's actually the same site. Okay, as you can see, this is a really easily formatted site. Okay, they don't even have HTTPS, which means there needs to be a green padlock up there, which means that your information which you share with the site is safe. Now if they do not even have that, that's the first red flag that you can see it's not legit. And with these huge earning amounts, okay, it's just insane. You cannot earn that anyway with typing captchas, but nonetheless I am going to test out these methods. I'm just going to like close those two and I'm going to work with the two sites that are actually recommended, okay, which were recommended to me by people on Reddit. So I've already signed up to 2Captcha, okay, but convertible I am quite skeptic about, but nonetheless I will maybe just give it a shot and see if it works. Okay, so you can already see that this site looks kind of dodgy anyway. I mean, how can if you're working for like half a cent for like an hour, I don't see how it can actually change your life unless you live in Zimbabwe, and even for them it will be worth it, okay, because you can basically buy the same things with the money anywhere, same value, same stuff, whatever. Okay, but anyway, let me just sign up for the site. As you can see, it's still loading. Working panel, still waiting. Okay, so now we've come to the part where we can actually do some signing in. Okay, how is this incorrect? Okay, so right here you guys can see the email which I actually used. This is the email which I actually created just for this YouTube channel in order to test out these websites. Okay, it says as you can read, it says Okay, so as you can see, it took me about 16 minutes just to complete the test. Yeah, I did made a few mistakes myself just on the answers. Some of the answers on the test, but altogether it was about 45 questions. Okay, 16 minutes already gone. So I can basically say for 45 questions, that's not it. If you're getting paid for every thousand, a set of thousand for the captures, you can already see that generating $50 an hour with capture typing is not really how can I say this, worthwhile. But anyway, let's continue to get started working and see just how much per job we can earn. Okay, that's the end of it. As you can see here, one mistake in your account is suspended. I don't really see how anybody can do this without making a mistake. Okay, these are not your usual captchas. Okay, but that's really it from me, guys. I don't know, you guys can give this a try if you want to, if that's what you want to do. But I'm not going to continue anymore. I actually wasted about 26 minutes of my life, which I will never actually get back. I hope you guys also don't make the same mistake and waste 26 minutes of your life just for this amount of money. Okay, this is actually what I've earned so far. Okay, this is in dollars. Okay, and that's the amount right there. Okay, so I hope you guys see that a lot of these methods on YouTube that other people show you will never actually generate you any money online. And I hope you guys can see that. I hope this is an eye-opener for you to really just do your due diligence about what's worthwhile and what's actually not. And if you guys actually find a site that is worthwhile, okay, where you can make at least about $10 to $50 an hour, which for some countries may be minimum wage. But if you are not making any money online and you really need to make money, I don't really see any other way besides just accepting the minimum wage until you get something better. Okay, so but that's all from me for today, guys. It's been very disappointing. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.